All right, so first of all, Mike McGroarty from Mike's Backyard Nursery and all that. There's a link in the description down below for our members area, and there's a video there that may or may not interest you. I just want to make you aware of that. What I'm going to talk to you about today is a few years ago I took some pictures of my landscaping at home because I'm walking up the driveway and I thought, wow, this looks kind of nice. It was, springtime photos. And I posted them on the website, mikesbackyardnursery.com. And a lot of people really liked it, which I kind of figured they would. But there was one guy who said, I think his comment was something along the lines of, it's a good thing you know how to grow plants because you sure don't know anything about landscape design. So whatever, it's my house, not his. I really don't. His opinion doesn't really matter to me. The short answer is I spent 20 years landscaping and I did a lot of re-landscaping. So I re-landscaped or landscaped somewhere around 1,000 homes in a 20-year period. So I'll just put that out there. And I had a whole lot of satisfied customers. I never had anybody complain about a landscape design. And then about a week ago, there's a young lady who lives like one street over, and she was walking down the street with her mom, and I know them both, and she hollered out to me. She's like, wow, your landscaping looks really nice. She's a landscape designer by trade. She's a professional landscape designer. Now, does it look nice? Yeah, it looks nice. Is the design perfect? No, not even close. It's horrible. The design itself, from all practicable purposes, is horrible, and I'll tell you why it's horrible. Because when we built the house 7.5 years ago, whatever it was, I had a bunch of Japanese maples because over a period of time I had started going crazy and buying Japanese maples, for here at the nursery, and I bought hundreds and hundreds of them, and we put them out in the field. So I've sold a bunch of them, almost all of them. I've still got some that I'm selling, and I had a handful that I had lost the tags. The tags broke off and disappeared. That's the problem when you're growing Japanese maples. You got to grow them for 10 or 12 years before you can sell them. So it's pretty hard to keep the tag in place. And when you only have a few of something, it's really hard to keep track of what you have. So anyway, on these things, the tags were lost, but they were absolutely beautiful. So I decided that I wanted to put them in my landscape, even though I know it's wrong. There are too many in there. It's way too small of an area for them. I don't care. I'm 69. I mean, how much longer am I going to be here? Let's be realistic. And if I have to, I'll take some out. It doesn't matter to me. I do that all the time. So I ended up putting in, let me think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's at least 5, maybe 6 in there. And they're all pretty unique and pretty interesting. Finnegan, you're backing me up, you goofball. Anyway, I'm going to put that out there. This is the lead into my landscape design skills suck video. I shot the video a couple days ago, yesterday, the day before, I think the day before. And so anyway, I wanted to shoot this piece to kind of give you but anyway, let's just cut to the chase and go look at the landscaping. And in case I didn't say it at the end of that video, I'll say it now. Until next time, by any and all means, stay inspired. So this Japanese maple, the green one right in front of us here, is Waterfall. The green and white variegated, that's a mini hosta called Mini Skirt. The blue one is Blue Mouse Ears, which is a mini hosta. The Stuart Stony Red Azaleas. This is Copper King Eucharella. And then that Japanese maple over there that we already saw, the green one is Lion's Head. So this Japanese maple is one of the lost tag specials. I really don't know the variety, so I'm not going to try and make something up. There are a couple of rosebud azaleas in the back here that haven't quite opened up yet. There were a couple more, but they don't like the sun coming from the west in the evening. So the ones behind the Japanese maple, they're pretty happy. So that Copper King Euchorella, kind of it's a cross between coral bells and something similar. I don't even remember. Got some pink petunias here in the front. The waterfall, this is a lace leaf weeping Japanese maple. The blue mouse here's hosta. Delaware Valley White azalea. This beautiful Japanese maple is another one that I've lost the tag to. That's how they ended up in my landscape. I bought hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of Japanese maples and some of these really pretty ones, and over the years the tag got lost and I just don't know what the variety is. And so they're beautiful and I am enjoying them in my own landscape. Here's another one. Really, really pretty. This hosta here is Island Breeze.